Ready, start. The learned trial court has also relied upon Jitendra Arora and others versus Sukriti Arora and others 2017 3 SCC 726, which was a case relating to custody of a child minor under the Guardianship and Wards Act. Stop. In the said case, marriage between the appellant and the respondent was solemnized in India in 1999. The parties shifted to UK and lived there for some time. Stop. Two daughters are born to them. Later on, a relationship between them soured and a divorce petition was filed by the respondent in the court in UK, where she was granted a divorce decree. Stop. Thereafter, the appellant shifted to India along with elder daughter. Stop. The respondent had in the meantime obtained a British citizenship for the elder daughter and came to India and filed a habeas corpus petition in Punjab and Haryana High Court against the appellant and others, which was allowed by the High Court, directing the appellant to hand over the minor daughter to the custody of the respondent. Stop. Against the said judgment of the High Court, the father had filed the appeal before the Supreme Court. Stop. During the hearing of the case, the Supreme Court had asked the respondent as to whether she should shift to India even temporarily for a year or so that the court could consider giving custody of the daughter to her for that period. Stop. However, she expressed her inability to do so and had insisted that the daughter should come to UK and live with her. Stop. The court had interacted with the daughter in the chambers earlier, and on the date of hearing also she was present in the court and in front of parents had unequivocally expressed that she was happy with the father and wanted to continue his company and did not want to go with her mother. Stop. The Supreme Court observed that child was 15 years of age and quite mature, and she could fully understand what was in her best interest and therefore competent to take a decision for herself. Stop. There had been interactions with her by different benches of the Supreme Court from time to time, from which it was clearly discernible that she was in a position to weigh the pros and cons of the two alternatives and to decide as to which course of action is most suited to her. Stop. She had a developed personality and formed her opinion after considering all the attendant circumstances. Stop. The court observed that her intellectual capacities had been adequately developed and she was able to solve problems and think about her future and understand the long-term effects of the decision which was taking. Stop. She had been brought up in a conducive atmosphere and had achieved sufficient level of maturity. Stop. Further, in spite of giving ample chances to the respondent by giving temporary custody of the girl child to her, the respondent had not been able to win over her confidence. Stop. She had wanted the girl child to live with her in UK, whereas the daughter had very categorically stated that she did not want to go to UK and wanted to live with her father. Stop. The court therefore observed that it could not take the risk of sending the child to a foreign country against her wishes, which may prove to be a turbulent and tormenting experience for her, which would not be in her interest. Therefore, it decided that her welfare lay in the continued company of her father. Stop. It is clear from the facts of the case as narrated in above that the learned trial court has misplaced reliance upon the judgment which had nothing at all to do with section 363 and 366 of IPC. Stop. Quoting a judgment out of context and placing reliance thereupon is a hazardous course of action which should be avoided by the learned trial court. Stop. Para. The learned trial court has placed reliance also upon Razzaq Mohammed versus State of Himachal Pradesh 2018 9 SCC 248. The accused was convicted by the High Court under sections 363, 366 and 376 of the Indian Penal Code. He had been acquitted by the learned trial court. The High Court in appeal had reversed the order.